Okay, so I'm doing a cloud recording, so in case you might
Mhm.
need it later, I'll be able to share it with you.
Thank you.
Excellent. All right. Okay. So go ahead and put x squared on the right hand side. So if we factorize x squared, we would be left with x for the first one. Yes, so go ahead and type x squared first so that, no, on the right hand side of the first bracket.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Uh,
You want to take it back a bit. No, not there.
all right.
That, yeah, exactly. Yes, yes, perfect. That's it.
There.
Yes, all right. Then what would be left in the bracket? We would have x for instead of x cubed for the first term. Inside the first bracket, you would have
Mhm.
x. Yes.
Okay.
You know why, right? You know
Yeah.
why? Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Then we'll
And
have
then
minus.
you just have
Yeah,
4.
excellent. All right. So let's look at the second bracket and see what we have in common there. If we have a mental picture, I guess that would be 6, right?
It's actually the same now. You just have to simplify.
Yeah, exactly. No, it's not the same yet. You need 6 out.
But it would be the same. You just have to simplify it.
Exactly, exactly. But then we would need to factorize 6 out of it, right?
Yeah. So
Okay,
this
so
would
go ahead
become
and factorize
x,
6
and this would become
minus
4.
4. Excellent. Don't forget to put your 6 outside.
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
And so
So
now, wait, no, like this. Yeah.
no. Okay,
No.
okay. I get what you're doing now. I get what you're doing now. Plus
Oh,
6,
but
right? Don't forget the
yeah,
plus.
plus.
Yeah,
It has to be
exactly.
plus, otherwise they won't be negative.
Exactly. Exactly.
And then we
Okay, so you can
cancel
take
out
out.
this.
Yeah, exactly. Those guys can go now. Okay, perfect. I think you're good to go. Let's check this guy out.
Looks good-ish. Yeah. Okay, good.
Good. Excellent.
All right. Okay. I see it.
Okay.
So,
So the grouping is already done, right?
yep,
Uh-huh.
5x cubed, no, cubed,
Exactly.
uh, plus 15x. Yes,
Are you sure you want to do it that way?
I am not sure of anything.
Okay. Don't worry. Go ahead. Go ahead. I think you're correct. You're correct. Perfect. Go
Okay,
ahead. Go ahead. I can see it now. I can see it now. Yes.
4x squared and then minus 12.
Now, don't forget the 4x squared has a minus in front of it.
Oh, right, you are.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Now, then the plus sign in between the brackets for now, since we're
Makes
not
sense.
done factorizing. Yes. Perfect. 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 Okay. So we're making progress. Um,
And so what
so
we would do
yes.
is to factorize it,
Uh-huh,
make this squared
uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh.
and make this 3.
Yes. Yes. So what would be outside the bracket on the right hand side?
Uh,
5x squared, right?
yeah, yeah, I think
Okay,
so.
so that means on
Wait,
the first term would be x
yeah,
and not 5x squared, not x squared. Do you get it?
yeah, just 5x.
5x. Okay, yes, excellent. 5x. Perfect.
And
Perfect.
then here
Okay.
we have, so we factorize
Now you need
this
to be
and it,
careful. Yes,
yeah,
yes,
turns
yes,
into the same thing.
yes, exactly. So -4 would be common, right?
Mm-hmm.
And if you divide -12 by -4, you'll be having exactly +3.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, so you can go ahead and take out your -4
Okay.
and turn the -12 to +3.
All right.
So this one was a bit tricky, right? Because of the minus sign.
Yeah.
You agree, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait.
Yes, exactly. That's it. All right. So you want to know what happened back there. You had -4, -12, right?
Yeah.
Remember? And we said a factorization is like actually a division operation, right?
Yes. So we would
So if we
have,
divided, yes, if we divided -12 by -4, take a look at that. Now
yeah.
you want to put that -4 on the right-hand side so we don't get
Yeah.
confused with the signs.
Uh,
Okay. So take out, no, don't, okay, oh, perfect. That's cool with me. Now, the
and now
-3 inside the bracket has to be plus.
just take all this out.
Okay, that's perfect. You want to put the last step.
Your audio is cutting out.
Did you hear me?
No, not at all.
I said, do you want to go straight to the last step?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
5x minus 4. And that should work.
Yes, so you could take out the guys in the middle.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. But yeah. No, not like that.
Careful now. Careful now.
Yeah,
Yes. Okay.
like this.
Okay,
And
good.
that should
Oh,
work.
yes, it should work.
Yes, it's fine.
Perfect. Perfect.
And that's one assignment done.
Excellent.
See if we can get any more done. Subtract 2 from both sides. Wait, what? But if you subtract 2 from both sides, you get, oh, wait, huh?
Okay.
But wouldn't that make -8u? This part here is
Okay, so you know what's happening back there. You
kind of,
took you subtract you subtracted 2 from both sides because you wanted to have the one that had the unknown, which is u, on the left
yes,
hand side alone, right? Now,
yes,
if you took 2 out, now remember you are doing a -34 minus 2. So if you're subtracting 2 from a -34, that would take it further negative to
yes,
-36. So yes, so that's what's happening back there. On
yes,
the
but
left hand
what,
side,
yeah, but what about
on the
this?
left side, yes, did you notice there's a minus already in front of the 6. So
Yeah,
subtracting 2 from both sides did not take out the minus. Did you get that?
yeah, but wouldn't it like make it -8u then?
Because 2 and 6u are not like terms.
Ah,
Did you
I
get that?
see.
So
Right,
the
because it
2
doesn't
just
have a variable. I see.
yes, exactly.
Since -6 is negative, we flip the inequality sign. So U is greater than 6, or greater than or equal to.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think I kind of get the concept.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So it's the same thing that we do here. Subtract -2 from 10, which would give us 12. And then,
Yeah. Okay. So for this one, right? Um, let's take a look at this one carefully. Did you notice when you were taking out the -2, you took it out from the side that had the variable, right?
yeah,
Good. So in this case, we would not be taking -2 for this one. We'll be taking out 10 because it's on the side where the variable is. Did you get that?
okay. Okay.
Yes. 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 So if you do
Okay.
that, we'll be having a -3u on the right hand side, and we'll be having -2 minus 10, and that would be a -12.
All
See
right.
that?
So
Yeah.
the end result is going to be
Yes. Yes, that would be the perfect
ne
shape to choose.
1 is greater
Don't,
than or equal to U.
uh, let's take it step by step. So we have
Oh,
-12. Yes. Let's take it bit by bit. So we have a -12 on the left side first. And we have so you want to do that so I can see uh,
your audio keeps cutting out.
okay. How is it now?
Still,
How is it now? Is it better?
it's still choppy.
Oh, sorry. I think that might be my connection.
Hmm.
Okay. Any better?
A little. I can hear you at
Uh,
least.
okay, okay, okay. Awesome. All right. So you want to put an -12 on the left hand side so that we will go with.
You take 10 from -2
Yes,
to make it
from minus.
-12.
Yes, yes,
And then what you do is you, uh, well, factorize, divide, whatever you want to call it.
yes, yes,
Oh, wait, but that would make this 4.
yes, yes,
4, not
exactly,
1.
exactly. Yes, exactly. Perfect. Now
Okay.
take note. Whenever you divide, hold on, hold on. We're not done.
Oops. Sorry.
Hold on. Yes, yes. One minute. Now, when you
All right.
divide both sides of an equality, remember we're dealing with an inequality now. All right.
Yeah.
If it had been equation, we wouldn't need to do this. But since it's an inequality, anytime you divide both sides of an inequality by a negative number, guess what? The inequality will reverse. That means your greater than or equals to would become less than or equals to. So you're going to choose a
Oh,
different.
I see.
Yes, 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 yes,
Okay. So like this. No, no, not like
yes.
that. Like that.
No, yeah, that one. Yes, that one. Yes. So you change it to it. Right now, it's greater than or equal to. Now it's less than. Yes, that should be it.
So this is good.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh, and
Okay,
now,
so for this one, you want to give.
31. So
Yes.
19 minus 31 is 12.
Minus
Yes,
12.
12. But minus.
Yes.
But this
Yes,
is
minus,
positive
because
31.
yes, I know, but in this case, 19 is a smaller number. When you take a bigger number from a smaller number, the result is a negative of whatever it would have been if the bigger number subtracted the smaller number.
Okay,
You got that?
sure. But
All right, cool.
it's 12, not 19.
Okay.
Yeah, like this.
Yes,
And then
yes. The sign is still the same. Yes, that one.
3,
All right.
3.
And
Except
then
now we
y. Yes,
factorize and
yes, yes. And then you have the y. Perfect. Okay, so go ahead and do a check.
okay, good.
We're good.
Yeah. All right.
All
This
right.
one. This should be much the same. So
You need to be a bit careful with this one. You
yeah.
need to be a bit careful with this one. So now, if you notice the sign on the number you have, where you have the variable v, right? The sign on the number 8 is a negative 8, right? So this time, instead of us to say subtract 8 from both sides, we'll be adding 8 to both sides. Did you get that?
I see. So we add 8.
Yes.
So that would turn this
Yes.
into 24.
Yes.
So
on the
positive.
right hand side.
No, oh wait.
No, it's still a negative.
Yeah, negative.
Yes.
Because it's not a like term.
Thank you very much. Yes.
Oh wait, no, not that one.
It's just a less than.
Yeah.
Yes.
24.
And then you have 24. 24, yes. All right, so you divide both sides by a negative 4. Don't forget to reverse your inequality. Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Do that now.
Yes.
And now we have
exactly
6 and negative.
Minus 6. Don't forget minus 6.
Oh,
You know why it's
I
a
see.
minus 6, right? Yes.
Go ahead.
You know why?
Well, go ahead.
Okay, so the reason why is because you had positive 24 and you're dividing a positive number by a negative number. All right, so that's going to make the answer negative.
I see. Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome.
Because division is just the
So
reverse of multiplication. I see.
Exactly. So the same rules apply.
Okay, cool. Now what is it going to be?
So these guys are the quadratic equation guys.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you take a look at what's going on there, you would see that the first thing we did was to get the lowest factor, right? Are you with me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Go ahead.
So in this case, the lowest common factor in this case is 3, right? Yeah. Okay. And since that's the lowest common factor, if you factorize 3 out of 3v squared plus 39v minus 90, you would have just v squared plus 13v minus 30.
Yes.
Okay. Now, you now have a quadratic equation on in the parentheses.
Yes.
Okay. So now the thing about quadratic equations is that you need to ask yourself a couple of questions. Okay. Now, first things first, take a look at the minus 30. Or let's, okay, maybe we should, yes, take a look at the minus 30. Now, in this case, we have to be very particular about the signs. All right. So it's a minus 30, and then you have a plus 13 with the variable v. Okay. Now, don't bother with the v squared. The v squared will sort itself out. All right. So the two terms we're looking at are the minus 30 and the 13v. Okay, so the questions you'll be asking yourself are this. First of all, what two numbers would I multiply to get 30? And then, what two numbers would I add? The same two numbers would I add to get 13? Okay, so let me repeat the questions. What two numbers would I multiply to get minus 30 first? Then the same two numbers should be able to add to give me 13.
3 and 10.
Okay, so yes, a couple of numbers will come to mind, but guess what? The only two numbers that will be able to give you satisfy both questions would be 15 and minus 2. Okay?
Oh.
Yes.
I see.
Yes. Yes. So that's why you now have the v plus 15 and v minus 2. Okay? Remember back then I said that the v squared would take care of itself, right?
Yeah. And now it's going to do that.
Yes. Yes, yes. That's exactly what happened.
All right. Let's see. All right, so
okay. So you good?
3, it's no squared. 42x and 72.
Yes.
And then close this. Okay. And oh wait. 12? Yeah. That doesn't really work.
And I'm going to take a look at your factorizing 3, right? If you factorize 3 from 42, you would have 14. That means, remember, a factorization for numbers is typical to a division. Remember that. So 42 divided by 3 will give us 14. You want to check that out?
Just a second.
All right, go ahead.
All right, so 14.
Yes.
And then
for that would be
24.
24. Perfect. Yes.
Yeah.
Correct.
So we want two terms that can multiply into 24, but also add into 14.
Exactly. Now, did you notice in this case? Did you notice that both numbers are positive?
Oh, wait.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we're good
both
with
are
that.
positive.
Yes. Yes.
Which means that,
so that means yes.
they both of what And they both have to be positive.
Yes, exactly, for this one. So, can you guess? You want to do a guess? What two numbers come to mind? Now, you know what? You know the coolest part of this? You could do
Yeah.
your guessing with 24. You could do your guessing with 24 and check your numbers each time. So the first pair of numbers that come to my mind are 6 and 4. Because 6 times 4 is 24, right?
But that doesn't work. Oh,
It
wait.
doesn't work.
I know what
Got
numbers
it?
it is. 2 and 12.
Perfect. Perfect. Excellent job. Nice one. Nice one. Okay. So 2 and 12 would work. So what do you think would be in the two brackets now?
2 and
X,
12.
X plus 2 and X plus 12. Yes, that's all. X plus 2 and X plus 12.
2
Don't forget to take
and
out the X square.
oh, right.
Yes. So, yes. So X
2.
plus 12. You can, yes, perfect. Yes, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Awesome. Nice job. Okay. So you're good to go. You could go ahead and check it.
All right. For u 16 for u squared is 16u and 24. So 4 is going to go here. U squared, and then
Yes.
everything is negative.
Yes. Take note. If you have 4 from 16, you know 4 negative 4, and then the negative 6 of 4.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear
Did
any
you
of
get
that.
that?
No.
Oh, sorry. Okay, okay. Can you hear me now?
It's cutting in and out. Try again.
Okay, okay, okay. Let me see if I can do an annotation.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so that's going to be, oh, sorry. Um, okay, so it's going to be a u squared minus 4u minus 6.
Yes.
Can you see that?
Wait. Yes. Correct.
Okay, all right.
So I will change that now.
Yes, yes, perfect.
Okay. So I want two numbers that can multiply into -6, but also add into -4.
Mm-hmm,
Hmm.
mm-hmm. So for -6, two numbers that come to my mind are 2 and 3, but those two don't work.
No. So 2
Okay,
and
so
3, 1 and 6.
yeah.
I don't know how that would work though.
Uh-uh. Okay, so at times I think we need to come to the facts, to the knowing that sometimes those numbers are difficult to find. Sometimes they don't exist. Okay? Did you get that?
Yes, I heard you.
Yes. So that means in this case, this would be the final answer for this one. All right. Or do you still want to try?
Sorry?
Do you still want to check if you could find two numbers that would meet the requirements for this one?
Let's see.
So now let's discuss. Now, if you wanted to get a -6, right? The only two ways you could get a -6 would be 6 and 1, either -6 and 1, or -1 and 6. Either of them, if you added either of them, you would not be able to get -4. That's the problem. All right. So, of course, 2 and 3 are out of the game already. 2 and 3 don't work at all. So that's why you can see we're kind of stuck with this one. We can't. If you did a -6 plus 1, you would have -5. If you did a -1 plus 6, you would have 5, because 6 plus -1 is 5. Okay, so either of them don't give us -4. All right. Did you get that?
Yes.
So you can go ahead and do a check. This one is correct, just the way it is.
Okay.
Yes.
That's pretty tricky of them.
It is. You can say that again. You can say that again. Okay, so you want to try for this one?
Plus 40u minus 100. No.
Okay.
Like this.
So now you've already taken out the 5, right?
Yes.
So do you want to do a check? 40 divided by 5 would give us what?
40 divided by 5 would give us 8.
Excellent. And then minus 100 divided by 5 would give us minus
10.
20. Minus 20?
Oh, 20.
Yes.
And we could simplify it further if we wanted.
Exactly. Now let's take a look at it. So two numbers would multiply to give us minus 20. And if we add them, would give us plus 8. So what two magic numbers would those be? Let's see. So off the top of my head, I could see minus 10 and plus 2.
I see that.
Now, you see that? But the question is, do those two work? Minus 10 plus 2 would give me a minus 8.
No.
So that would disqualify them, right? We need
so
a
we
plus
actually
8.
Want the reverse. We
want
so minus 2 and plus 10.
Correct. Correct. So you already have your bracket settled. So you can go ahead and change it. So that's going to be, the first bracket would have u minus 2. And the second one would have u plus 10, I think. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Wait.
Yeah. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
I'm waiting. Yeah, I'm with you.
Okay.
Yes.
U.
Yes. Yes. Don't forget the squared. Don't forget the squared.
Oh,
the
sorry.
U squared. Yes. Yes. No. The other one. Yes. That's it. Yes. Okay. Yes, I think we're good.
Yep. Good.
Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Okay. So are these the last set of assignments?
For the module, it's just 7 more. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So you have to, you said you're turning them in today, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right, let's go ahead.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, so it's getting
A little bit
a bit
complicated.
yes, yes, yes. But it's still stuff. I think they kind of building up, they're kind of building up.
Oh, I see. And then
Mm-hmm.
you erase those,
Mm-hmm.
remove the bracket by multiplying 1 by y plus 4, which just gives you y plus 4. And
Mm-hmm.
then you don't touch this one because it's the denominator.
Yes, and they're not similar, yes.
Oh, wait, what?
Did you get
Yeah.
that? Why you
Yeah.
have y plus 4 on top and y minus 8 beneath. So they're not the same.
Oh, right. Because positive and
Yeah,
negative.
exactly.
I see.
Exactly.
Understood. All right, so we have 1 and 4, and
Mm-hmm.
then we can just forget about these since they don't matter.
Exactly. Yes,
And
correct.
then,
Exactly.
oh, but this is the numerator, so we don't need bracket
Yeah.
for this.
No, you will. You will.
Oh,
Okay.
okay,
Oh, okay. Yeah, because of that. Yes, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Don't worry. Go ahead. I
okay.
see what you're doing. Go ahead. Yes.
And then we have here on the bottom,
Mm-hmm.
u minus 4.
Exactly. Perfect.
And that's good?
That's good.
Okay, good. Yeah, okay.
Exactly.
1 and 5.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Yeah, this one is kind of straightforward. So you
yeah,
just have 1 and 5. So you're good. You are good to go.
yeah. And then this is interesting. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'll do it
Mm-hmm.
like this. 1 and 4. Oh, but we cancel out the like factors. So what we have left is, oh, but it's the numerator.
2y.
So
Yeah. So you don't need
2y,
a bracket up there.
yep,
Mm-hmm.
3. And that's it.
Yep. Yep.
Um, Linear inequality with, oh,
Okay. So this one
um,
looks like a build-up from the inequality, the last one that we did. And it's pretty
yeah,
simple. We're just collecting terms. Nothing, no big deal here.
yeah.
That's all that's happening.
Okay. So let's set up 6 minus 9u. And 30
Yep.
minus 5u.
5u.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. Okay. So we're gonna collect like terms, right?
Mm-hmm.
So for this guy, what I usually like doing is to have the variable on the left hand side if I can. So let's see. If I take minus 5u to both to the other side, that's going to make it a plus 5u, right?
Yeah.
So that's going to be minus 9u plus 5u. So what's that going to give us? Minus 9 plus 5 is going to give us -4, right?
So we just wait. We just do
So
this.
really what we're doing, so you know what's happening. We're actually adding 5u to both sides. You got that?
Ah,
Yes.
so it just
That's
becomes a
gonna
-4.
Yes. Don't forget the u.
Oh, I thought the u would have
Yes.
been removed.
No.
Okay.
No. Still there.
And
All right.
this
For the
doesn't need to be
numbers,
here anymore.
exactly. Then for the numbers, we're going to be subtracting 6 from both sides. You know why?
Go ahead.
All
Oh,
right. So the
because
reason,
it's on the same side. That's why.
yes. So we need to subtract 6 from both sides. That's going to give us 24. And don't forget to take out the 6 from the left.
Yep.
Okay, don't forget the negative sign is still there for 4u.
Yeah, right.
Yes. Okay, so you know what's next, right?
Yep. Need to
What's
flip
next?
this around.
Ah, aha. And we're dividing by
4. So it's just,
-4.
yeah.
Yes. So that's going to leave me with a u.
Oh, wait. Hmm.
Yes, don't
And
forget the u.
then -6.
A negative, exactly. Hey, 24. Yes, -6. Excellent. Okay, so you can go ahead and check.
Right.
Yes.
So
Okay, so what do you think is going to happen for this one?
set up first. Oh, wait.
Okay, so yeah, go ahead. You want to try? What's going to happen for this one?
I guess we would subtract 5 from both sides.
Why do you think we would subtract 5? We have a negative sign in front of the 5 already. So don't you think we would have to add
Oh,
it to both sides?
I see. I see.
Yes, yes. So go
So
ahead and do that. Yes,
7u,
perfect.
and
Yes.
this would become 12.
Now,
Hmm.
careful. Take a minute, take a look at what you're doing. We're dealing with the u now, not the one that doesn't have the u.
Oh,
Yes, yes. No, you took out, that's supposed to be 17.
huh?
17. Yes. Okay. So you can take out the 5u now, minus 5u now, since we're done with it.
Oh, because it's not a like term. I see.
Yeah, yes. Don't forget the minus. Good.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are we doing next? What do you think is going to happen next now?
Uh,
So take a look at the 11, right?
Yeah.
The 11 is on the left-hand side, and there's a plus sign in front of it. So the opposite of a plus sign, I'm sure you'd have noticed by now, we're doing the opposite, right?
Oh,
So we're going
28.
to be
Got it.
subtracting, yes, we're going to be subtracting 11 from both sides. So that's going to be negative 28. Perfect. Don't forget to take out 11.
Yep.
Yes. All right. Careful now.
And now we
Now,
just,
finally, yes.
yeah. And that becomes
Negative
7 or 8.
No, negative
4. 4. Yeah, sorry.
And yeah, that guy is gonna be just you. Okay.
And then we have to flip this.
No. You're not flipping nothing. You don't need to flip anything.
Oh,
You know
okay.
what? We didn't divide by
Because it
a
was already
negative number.
positive
Yeah,
versus
it was just
negative. Got it.
yeah, yes, yes. You divided by anytime. Guess what? Anytime you divide by a negative number, you have to flip. In this case, we didn't have to divide by a negative number. We divided by 7, and that 7 is a positive number, right?
Got it.
Okay, so go ahead and check. Let's see. Correct. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay.
Got the
So for
table
this guy,
again.
yes, 4W greater than or equals to
2W
2W. Yes.
plus 7.
Yes. Okay. So for this guy, what is going to happen?
Well, we would subtract 2W from both sides.
Yes.
So this goes away, and this becomes 6W.
Yes. Minus 6W. Correct. Okay. Now don't you could take out the plus sign in front of the 7 if you want.
Got it.
It's okay. Yeah. All right. So for
And
the numbers, we're going to do 37. We need 37 to go over to the other side. What are we going to do to 37?
add it to both sides. Well, subtract it because it's positive.
Thank you.
Right. So, and then
Don't forget the 6 has a negative in front of it. Negative 6W. Yes. So 7, you're not done. We're subtracting 7 minus 37 will give us what?
7 minus 37.
Yes.
37.
You remember, anytime you're subtracting a big number from a small number, it will give you the answer
In negative.
Yes, in negative, yes. So that's going to be minus 30.
30. And
Yes.
then we factorize, and this becomes 5.
It's a minus
Yes.
30. Don't forget it. Don't forget the minus.
Oh, so minus
Minus
5.
30.
Sorry.
Then yes, you can now take out. You remember to flip signs because you're dividing both sides by negative 6.
And so it's W is greater than or equal to negative 5. I think that's true.
Less than, yes. So you need to flip it.
Oh, got it. There.
Correct.
Wait a minute.
Oh, sorry, the negative, sorry, you divided minus 30. So That's 5 should be positive 5.
Yeah.
It should be positive 5. Just 5. No, it's a positive 5. Do you get it?
Like this?
Yes, but don't forget to flip the sign. Yes, exactly. Thank you. So
Good.
recheck. Yes, good.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. 5u minus 6,
Uh-huh.
9u
Uh-huh.
minus 30, except
Yep,
I forgot to put the u here.
exactly.
So we would subtract 9u from both sides, I think.
Yep,
Okay.
correct. Correct. Very
So
correct.
this goes away, and this
Uh-huh.
becomes negative 4u.
Perfect. Perfect. I feel like giving you a clap back there. Well done. You're doing well.
And then this, we add 6 to both sides, which means this becomes a
Perfect.
24. Like this?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
And then
Yes.
this becomes negative 6, and
Now,
this
careful
becomes
now. You're
that.
dividing, you you divided minus 24 by minus 4.
Ah, got it.
So
So it's
it's going
just
to be a
regular
positive.
6.
Thank you. Thank you.
And then we
And don't
swap
forget to see the
these.
comment.
Yep.
Yes. Uh-huh. Perfect.
Okay.
Awesome.
Good.
Perfect. Yep, you're good.
Okay. Few more.
Mm-hmm.
Factoring a difference of squares with one variable advanced. Oh, I see.
Mm-hmm. So for this guy, can you see this the rule there? It's very simple, right? A
Mm-hmm.
difference of two squares. Each of them have squares on either side of the minus sign. All right. So for instance, take a look at 81. 81 is 9 squared. And 49w squared is 7w. Do you get? The square root is 7w.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right.
Ah,
So the good
squares.
thing
Got
about it, all you need to do is to just have a plus sign in one bracket and have a negative sign in the other bracket.
it.
Did you
Mm-hmm.
get that?
Got it. Just
Cool.
copy it and have
So
a plus in one and the minus in the other.
thank you. That's all.
Got it.
This one, I'm sure this one is pretty straightforward for you.
Uh,
So what do you
all
think would
right.
be in this one? The first bracket would have what? Don't forget, just start with your parentheses. You're good to go. I'm sure this one would be simple.
9w. Then I'll leave that alone for now.
Mm-hmm.
9w.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't really matter which is which. So,
Yes, yes, it doesn't matter. It
and
doesn't.
then plus 7. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
That, what did I do wrong?
Hold on. Oh, sorry, my bad. The nine, square root of 9 is 3. So yes,
Oh,
yes. That's the issue. Yes. But other than that, you're good to go.
okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. This one's simple.
Yes, it is.
5 minus 9u.
Mm-hmm.
5 plus 9u. And that's it.
Yep. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is much the same. So
Yes.
7 minus 6 w.
Yes.
7 minus or plus
7 plus.
6w.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, so you're 4 projects away, right?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what's this one? Let's see. For each value of y, determine whether it's a what? It's a solution. It's a solution to each y plus 5 greater than or equal to 6. So for this one, you know what we'll be doing? We'll be substituting for y. Did you get that?
I got that.
So
Okay.
what? Yeah. For instance, the first time we would say, let's try out -1, right? So imagine -1 in this inequality. So 8 times -1 would give us what? -8, right?
Yeah. Plus
So
5 would
-8
be
plus
minus 3.
-3. Now, -3 is not definitely greater than 61.
No.
So that would be a no for -1. So you get it now.
Yeah.
So that's the same thing we'll do for 6. 8 times 6 is 48. 48 plus 5 is 53. And that will give me a no again.
Yeah.
And let's
then
try 8.
8 plus 8 is 64. Plus 5
69.
is, which is greater?
Yes, that won't be a yes for
Yes.
8. And then finally, for 7, 8 times 7 is 56. 56 plus 5 is what?
56 plus
61.
5, 61. So it also technically counts.
Yes, that one counts because of the equal to.
Yeah.
So this one is pretty simple too.
Yeah. Okay. Less than, okay. No. No. Wait. Yeah, no.
Careful now.
Oh, wait. Yes, actually.
Okay. Take a look at the left-hand side. The left-hand side is a -36, right?
Yeah. And
So you're
5,
substituting.
40. Yeah, so this does actually work. This does not, though. And then this does, I think. Yeah.
Hold on. Let's check it. All right. So for the first one, you have 8. 8 times 8 is 64 plus 4. That's
72.
68.
Oh, 68. Sorry.
Yes, that's 68. Okay. So yes, you're right about that one. No. The second one was -5. 8 times -5 is -40. -40 plus 4 is -36. Now take note, it says -36. -36
Oh,
cannot be greater than itself.
no.
Yes. So that's a no.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
And
this
then
is also a
finally,
no.
okay.
So
You
8 is
sure?
the
Let's check it. 24 minus 24 plus 24. That's minus 20. Okay. Minus 36 is less. Okay, yes. Okay, so the last one is minus 8. Minus 64 plus 4, that's minus 60. Okay, yes, yes. Yes, go ahead.
Okay.
Correct, correct, correct.
Okay, let's see. So 5W plus 7 less than or equal to 17. This is a yes.
Yes, because of the equal to, right?
Yeah, yeah. This is no. Actually, wait. Yes, I think.
Let's check it. Because it has a negative in front of it. So that's minus 15 plus 7. Minus 15 plus 7 will give us minus 8, right?
Which is definitely less than 17.
Yes, it's definitely. Yes, so you can go ahead and say yes for that.
And
minus
this is 10, same logic.
Minus 50. You want to check it so we'll be sure. Minus 10. That's minus 50 plus 7. That's, yes, exactly. Yes, same logic. Yes.
And then this is a big fat no.
Okay. Are you sure? Let's see.
Yes, as a matter of fact, I am sure.
Very sure. Yes, yeah, sure. You're right. You're right.
Okay. 3 more.
Yes. Well done. You're doing fine.
Oh. Okay. I think I see what we're expected to do. Okay, so no. This is going to be negative. Parentheses. And then we lay out the problem as it's stated. Minus y.
Oh, that's going to be a plus.
Yeah. Yeah, plus 21.
The minus y would also be plus y. Do you get it?
Oh, I see. I see your logic.
Then 21 will now be. Yes. Yes. Then the 21 will now be minus 21.
Yeah, because it has to be. I see your logic. And so.
So for this case, you know what we will be doing? You remember the last one that looked like this? We asked a question, right? 2 questions actually. What 2 numbers would we multiply to have the last one? And then when you added them, we give you the one in the middle, right?
Well,
you remember?
Yeah.
Okay, but for this case, variable, you see that? The variable y squared. So that coefficient now makes us have to do something before we ask the question. And what we'll need to do is to multiply. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do before we start asking is we'll say 2 times minus 21. That's going to give us minus 42, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the question now would be, what 2 numbers would you multiply to give you minus 42? And when you add them, they will give you plus 1. You got that? So off the top of your head, anything comes to mind?
Not to me.
Okay, let me see. Let me do some thinking here. Okay, so 42. Um, 42 would be a product for 6 and 7. All right.
Ah, I see your logic. -7
Yes.
and +6.
Okay. Are you sure that would give us +1?
Oh, wait. +1,
Yes,
so
we
it's
need something
actually
that.
the other one.
Yes,
It's
yes. So that's going to
+7 and -6.
be good. So now, um, um, we're going to. So the next step would be to write it, to have it out there. 2y squared inside the bracket, 2y squared plus 7, 7y. Don't forget the 7 in front of the y. Then minus 6y.
Yes.
The 21 will still be there. Okay, the
I
minus
see.
21 will still be there. Yes,
Okay.
yes, perfect, nice. So now we're going to, do you remember the factorization by grouping, right?
Sorry?
We'll be factorizing by grouping now.
Okay.
Yeah. So the first two terms, what's common there? What do we have common?
I would say 2y and 6y are pretty common.
Okay, so you know what we'll do so that we don't have to rearrange them. Okay, let's see what's common between 2y squared and 7y. That would be y, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh,
Okay, so yes, yes. Let's do it that way. So we have
okay.
y, and if we factorized y out of 2y squared plus 7y, we would have 2y plus 7. Got that?
Mhm. Oh, give me a second.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. So go ahead and you can put your parentheses there. Then don't forget to put your y there, right outside the bracket. Y.
Ah,
Yes. Okay. Now, remember, we already have the first bracket sorted out, so the second bracket has to look like it. So what's common between 6y and 21? That's going to be
3.
common factor, that's 3. Excellent. So that would give us, now take a look at the fact that you have minus minus there. So that would be minus 3. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay. So you should have a minus 3 outside. You could put your 3 there and then open the parentheses and change the 6y to 2y. And don't forget to change the minus 21 to plus 7.
Mm-hmm.
And take out the 42. 7, not 27.
Oh, sorry.
Yes. Okay, cool. Plus 7, actually, because of the
Oh,
minus dividing by minus. Yeah. So can you see you already have two brackets that look alike?
yeah.
So what's going to be in the first bracket? 2y plus 7, and the second bracket will be y minus 3. So you could just rearrange things and you have everything perfect. Yes, you can put your parentheses around the y minus 3. Perfect. Excellent.
And that's it.
That's it.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. I think this
Yep.
one might be a little bit better.
Okay. So did you notice that 4 is common all through?
Yeah, that's why I
Minus
think this
4.
is going to be a little bit easier.
Okay. So so you want to just factorize it all through now, or you want to do that in the next step?
We can do it all together.
Okay.
64. Close it. So this is going to become this.
Exactly.
This
Don't
becomes
forget to
10.
put your 4 aside.
Oh, right. We'll put it here.
Yes.
W. This becomes 10, and this becomes 16.
Yes. Now don't forget that you factorized minus 4 out. So plus 40 would become minus 10, and minus 64 will become plus 16.
I see.
Yes. You remember when we said factorization is actually a division operation, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Okay, so what do you think we're going to do now? This one looks similar to the first ones, right? We would not need to multiply the first and the last term in this case. We'll just ask ourselves, what two numbers would we multiply to give us 16? And at the same time, when we add them, will give us minus 10. So can you see, did you notice that I didn't have to say 16 times w squared? Did you notice I didn't have to say that?
Yeah.
Exactly, because the coefficient of w squared is 1. So there was no need to do that. Okay, for the last example, for the last question, sorry, we had to do that because of the 2, the number in front of the y squared. Okay.
All right, so
All right.
I'm
Okay, so what two
thinking
numbers would we multiply? Yes, 16. We have 4 and 4, but those two don't work. We have 2 and 8, right?
would -2 and -8.
2 and
Yeah.
8. Yeah, yes. -2 and -8. Perfect. So you already have your bracket sorted out. Just go ahead and do -2 W, -2, and W -8. That's all. Okay, then put your parentheses right there, and don't forget to take out the squared. No, no, not there. Careful now.
Oh. I can undo. So.
Yes, okay. 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 Just take out the squared.
What am I supposed to do from here?
Take out the squared. W minus 2 and W minus 8.
Sorry?
W minus 2 and W minus 8. W minus 2 in one bracket, W minus 8 in the other.
Your audio is cutting out again.
Okay, don't worry. Let me annotate.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I see. Ah, okay.
You got that?
I see.
But that doesn't mean you should take out the minus 4. The minus 4 is still outside.
Oh,
Yes, sorry, let me write it again.
okay. Then like this. This.
Yes, yes, exactly. Perfect.
And do
Okay,
I?
so yes, you can go ahead and check.
Okay. Huh. Okay. X squared, negative x squared plus x. Okay.
Okay, so for this guy, let's take a look at it. So what do you, aha, nice move, nice move. I like that. Now, because you took out a negative one, all the plus signs will turn to negative.
Got it.
All the plus signs, yes. Yes,
Okay.
perfect. Yes. So, are we ready to ask ourselves the question now? What two numbers would we multiply to give us a minus 12? And by the time you add them, will give us minus 1. You know where we got the minus 1 from? The coefficient of x.
Right.
Right? Yeah. So, any number come to mind? Are you thinking 6 and 2? But 6 and 2 don't work.
No.
Yeah, 4 and 3. How about 4 and 3?
4 and 3.
Yes.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Yes. So that would that be a negative 4 and a plus 3?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So is that
Mm-hmm.
our final answer? X plus
Yeah.
no? Okay.
X plus, yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
X plus 3, X plus 4. Yes, that's correct.
X plus 3. No, not like that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
X minus 4. And that's our final answer?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Two more, then we're done.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so greatest common factor of 8u squared and 12u is 4u. Makes sense?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So you
Mm-hmm.
simplify it down to 2u minus 3. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Factor in the denominator. That's
Yep.
also 4u, so u minus 7. And that's our
Okay.
final answer.
Of course. Of course. Of course it is.
So common factor, oh, so they both have a single common factor here.
Yes. What would that be? So for the
3.
guys on top, yes, exactly. Perfect. Nice job.
So
I guess you answered it right there. Mm-hmm.
So 3v, or no, wait, 2v
Yeah.
minus.
No, you're right. You're right.
Am I?
You wanted to factorize the 3v first, right? Didn't you? Okay, I see what you do. Don't worry. I can see what you're doing. You divided it all through, right? I can see what you're doing. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm with
Okay.
you. Go ahead. Yes.
Minus 5. Yeah. And then that's that. And this is v minus 6.
Correct. Correct.
And is that our final answer?
That is our answer.
Okay, cool. Yay.
Nice one. I'm really impressed. You were able to see the end right from there. That's good. That's a good one.
All right, so u minus 3. No, not like that. Like this.
Yes, exactly.
And then, oh, wait a minute.
Hold on. This one's not like the last one, so you need to be careful about it. So at the top, I think you're going to have 7u in the out there. U minus 3. Okay. So yeah. So let's
And then it's u minus 3 again. So is this just 1?
so it's going to be now. Okay, you know what? Let's take it step by step. You want to go back to the top, guy, and let's write out what's going to be there. Let's type out what's going to be there.
All right. That works for me.
Yes.
7u.
All right. So 7u
Ashleen.
in the bracket. No. You don't need. Let's factorize it right away. Don't you
All
want?
right.
Let's factorize. Yes. So that's going to be 7u. Okay.
Like
Let
this.
me see. Let me do an annotation.
All right.
Yes, let's do an annotation. So the first of the top, I have 7u in brackets. That would be u minus 3, and at the bottom I would have 2u, and you were right about that, u minus 3. Okay. Of course, the u would cancel this u, so that's, and this guy would cancel this guy. So you're left with what? Just 7 over 2.
7
You
over
got
2.
that?
I see. And
Yes.
that's the final answer, 7 over 2?
Yes.
Okay. Just for my own comprehension, why is it 7 over 2?
Okay. So can you see the things that cancel out?
Yeah.
So that's why we just have set all the variables cancel themselves out. Did you notice that?
Yeah, but why don't the 7 and 2 cancel themselves out?
Well, because 7 is an odd number and 2 is even. So if we actually wanted to write anything, so you know what we could do? Something else we could do. We could make it a mixed number. So a mixed number would be a whole number and a fraction, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that would be 3 whole number 1 over 2. I don't know if you have anything that can do that on the right-hand side there. It seems to me like you only have, yes.
So like 3.5 is what you're saying?
Yes. So can you write 3.5 with your setup here? Can you do that?
Yes.
Okay,
I
go
can,
ahead.
as a matter of fact.
All right, go ahead.
But I have to do it in a weird way.
Yes.
And then,
Okay. How are you gonna do it now? Oh, excellent. Okay, that's cool with me. You wanna
okay.
check?
Sure. No, that worked.
Correct. Perfect.
Oh, the reason why it worked is because we were supposed to simplify. So we would simplify that into a mixed number.
Exactly.
Okay. Okay. So we have, so this is 2 and 7, is it not? I think it is.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So for this guy, what we have, let me see. You want me to do an annotation on this one?
Okay.
Okay. So I think we have at the top there, we would have let me see. Sorry, hold on.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, let me wipe that off. Okay, so at the top there, we have 8v squared minus 28. So what's common there? I would have a 4. So that's 4v into 2v minus 7, right?
Okay. I'll type that out.
Yes. Yeah. And then at the bottom, we have another 4v doing some magic there with a v minus 4. You see that?
Oh, I see.
So this guy, so that's all we have left. Can you see that?
This is our final number.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
I guess yeah, okay, I see it. And then we make all of this a fraction, and then it's v minus 4.
Yep.
Final answer?
That's the final answer.
All right. Last one. Simplifying a ratio of, oh, jeez. Okay, here we go.
Okay. Did you skip the example part for this one?
I didn't
Hello,
hear that.
Kieran. Sorry, I said, did you skip the example part for this one?
No, but let's do this.
Okay. But it's fine. It's fine. I think it looks common. It looks familiar, right? So what's really going on is that the guy at the bottom is a quadratic equation, stuff that you're familiar with. All you just need to do is to factorize them and then see what's common and cancel it out. That's all. Yeah.
I see.
You see that?
So we cancel out what's common, keep what's not.
Exactly.
Okay. Okay, so wait.
Aha. Can you see anything there? The guy at the top is a difference of two squares.
Yeah.
You remember that guy, right?
Yeah.
So what do you think is going to happen at the guy with the guy at the top?
Well, I think we could simplify this down into y squared minus 7. Could we not?
Mm-hmm. Y minus 7. You remember,
Oh,
like this,
we don't
and
square it?
y plus x. No, 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 no. Do you remember?
Oh,
We don't square it because the y and the y would have squared themselves.
I see.
Did you get
I
that?
see.
Yes. So this is what you're going to have.
Minus 7.
Yes.
Y
That, in fact,
minus
that's the final
7.
answer. You don't, yes.
So they cancel each other out. And so what you have left is this.
Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. So we simplify this down and we get v minus 2 plus v minus 2v plus 5. Correct? Oh,
Let's
wait, no,
see.
no.
V. No, let's take a look at the guy underneath. You
Yeah,
remember the questions we asked ourselves. What two numbers would you multiply to give you 25? And what two numbers would you add to give you minus 10? So I'm sure those two numbers are pretty much in your head right now.
yeah. Really, the only
What
two
would they
numbers
be?
that work.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh,
And that's
yeah.
5 and a 5, right?
Yes.
Minus 5 minus 5. So this is what you're going to have.
V minus 5. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
V is 5, except you bracket it. And V minus 5.
So what do you think is going to happen?
I think it's all going to cancel itself out.
Uh-huh. Not exactly all. So you have 1 here. So your final answer is going to be 1 over V minus 5. See
Oh,
that?
okay. 1
Yeah,
over V minus 5.
yeah.
Okay.
Good with that?
One more question.
Yeah.
One
Um,
more question. Okay. So, uh-huh. Uh-huh. So,
what do you think is this one?
3 and 6.
Perfect. Perfect. Yes. Go ahead. So that's going to be 10 and 6, right?
Yeah.
So that's going to be y plus 8
And y
and
plus 6. Or, yeah.
y plus 6. Yes.
Except the y
Excellent.
plus 6 gets canceled out.
Perfect. Perfect.
So the answer is y plus 3.
Excellent.
Uh, like this.
Yes, it is.
Mm. Oh, okay. Thank you for the help. Sincerely.
You're welcome anytime. Okay, so you said you're expecting your next what do you call it? Your next homework when?
I will receive it Tuesday.
Tuesday?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Right. Do you have any questions?
Sorry?
Do you have any other questions?
I think that's it. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. All right. So, um, this class was a free one. So would you like us to discuss later about how the other classes would go in terms of the payments and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can do that over email or whatever.
Okay. Okay. That's perfect. That's perfect with me. That's cool with me. That's cool with me. All right. So enjoy the rest of your day.
And and you too.
All right. All right. You too. Take care.
Take care.
Yes. Bye.
Goodbye.